back to the Tracy Show. Today I'm sharing with you my latest make. It's a cute little puffer bag, easy to make, so stay tuned. I'm going to be using 4 pieces of this 16 by 13 metallic vinyl fabric here. I have 4 pieces for the outer portion. I'm also going to be using 2 pieces of the same size for my lining portion. I chose this beautiful Ankara print for that. Now I have created my lines to make my seams down. I have pinned the front and the back together for the outer portion of the bag, and I wanted to make sure that it matched up in the front and the back. Now I'm going to make a straight seam down on those marked areas where my pins are for both sides of the bag. Okay, so I've sewn my seams down where I'm going to have my different sections for my stuffing to go in. I did leave a little bit of an opening so I can fold this down when it's time to do the lining and the handle for the bag. So I did the same thing on both the front and the back sections of this of the puff bag here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and attach the front portion to the back. I'm doing this because when you get ready to start stuffing your bag, it's easier to sew some of the seams together before you start putting the stuffing in. So I'm ready to sew now. I have already pinned the bottom portion of the bag as well as the side of the bag. This makes it easier for stuffing as well as bag assembly once I have all of the stuffing inside my sections. Okay, I've sewn up the bottom portion as well as the side portion here. I have this open so I can go ahead and stuff it with my stuffing for both sides. Once I finish, I'll make another seam here and get ready to insert my lining. I'm using this cloud type stuffing to stuff my bag, and you can use anything you like. You can use old scraps, down feathers, whatever you like to stuff your bag. Okay, I have stuffed my bag now. I am ready to sew up this seam on the side. I have my opening here so I can input my lining later. And I'm going to be doing the side seam next. Okay, so now I have stuffed my bag. I am ready to turn it over and insert my lining, poking out all of those corners. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to do my lining and my strap. I have my lining piece here. I went ahead and sewed the side seams, leaving the bottom seam and top seam open so I can insert this into the bag. This is my strap portion. I have it pinned. I'm going to do a seam along the end here, as well as the side all the way up, leaving this portion open to turn. Okay, so I have my bag ready to insert my lining. On the wrong side with my seams showing, I'm going to go ahead and place the lining on top or through the bag, through the lining. and I'm ready to insert my handle. Now I am ready to insert my handle onto the bag. You can manipulate your stuffing depending on how thick and thin you would like it. After a few, days of wear, it probably will loosen up a little bit. So I'm gonna just do one handle on each side of the bag here like that. Okay, so I have my bag, I have my lining. I'm doing right side facing. So the right side of the bag as well as the right side of the lining are facing one another, and I am going to pin around the perimeter of the opening with the lining. I also have inserted my handle to the perimeter portion of the lining as well as the bag, and I'm going to go sew around that, and I'm doing a perimeter on each side, putting the handle at the top portion of the bag as well as the lining here, all 3 layers on each side. I have sewn the lining to the top portion of the bag as well as inserted my handles. So I'm ready to turn it back over. That's how it looks with my handles attached as well as the lining. I'm just going to go ahead and do a nice little fold here, iron and press that down, and I'm just going to top stitch it across to finish this lining. So this is the final look of the bag. Such a cute little bag. It has that futuristic look to it. You can put that handle down to make it a cute little clutch, and you are good. I didn't do a closure here, so I'm thinking it's easily stuff in and go. Perfect, cute. If I do this again, I definitely would probably make it a little bit larger. Maybe do some seams down from top to bottom, and maybe use a different type of stuffing, maybe some down feathers or something else. But I really like it. I think it's cute. It's a cute little addition to my bag collection. Thank you so much for watching the Tracy Show. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Be safe.